Eternal Father, bless our land. Guard us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our light through countless hours. To our leaders, great defender, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever. Teach us true respect for all. Stir response to duty's call. Strengthen us, the weak, to cherish. Give us vision lest we perish. Knowledge send us, Heavenly Father. Grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever.
Jamaica, we've been through the storm. Our homes are broken, our roads are gone. But our hearts still beat strong. From the hills of Manchester to the shores of St. James, we've seen the power of the wind and the flood. But we've also seen the power of love and unity. Today we cry together, but tomorrow we rise together. The same hands that built this land before will build it again. We are one people, one island under God. Strong, unshaken, and proud. To every mother, every father, every child, do not lose hope. The water will dry, the land will heal, and Jamaica will rise again. Many thanks to the amazing songwriter and music composer Charles K. Xavier. For all these songs, please press the subscribe button, everyone. And let's rebuild Jamaica.
Jamaica, it's time to rebuild. Melissa think we done. She not know Jamaicans, them never give up. Jamaica, we just a come, let's rebuild our country Kingston to Montego Bay, from Port Antonio to Negril. Every son and daughter of Jamaica around the world, reach out, reach home. Let's rise as one people, one heart to one Jamaica. The hurricane come but we still there. No breeze can blow where we spirit start. Me see the neighbor help the neighbor hand in hand. That's the power of the Jamaican woman and man. The sun a shine from the broken land. New hope grow like seed in the sand. Every little picnic, every mother, every man. Together we rebuild, together we stand. Jamaica rise again. Lift up we hand to the sky. We spirit stronger than before. We can't ever die. One love, one heart. Together we chart this land from sorrow to glory. Yeah. Lift up we hand to the sky. We spirit stronger than before. We can't ever die. One love, one heart. Together we chart this land from sorrow to glory. Yeah. Remember the hills, the rivers, the sun. Them still there, them keep we strong. We ancestors fight for we freedom long. So we nah go bow, we have to move on. From the youth in the streets to the elders in prayer. Open our heart, loving at the air. No care how hard we rebuild with care. For Jamaica, my people, me swear, me swear. Oh, all Jamaicans overseas, send love, send strength, send unity. Link up with your family, link up with your yard. Every dollar, every word, make the rebuilding start. We no wait for no system, we create our own. One nation under Jah, one heart, one home. We have to teach you them love again. Plant the seed of peace, let it rain. Every school, every lane, every street name. Tell the children I'm proud of the Jamaican name. No matter how the wind it blow, Jah love still light we window. From the ashes we grow, we show the world so we glow. Jamaica rise again, lift up we hand to the sky. We spirit stronger than before, we can't ever die. One love, one heart, together we chart this lane from sorrow to glory. Yeah. Lift up we hand to the sky. We spirit stronger than before, we can't ever die. One love, one heart, together we trot this lane from sorrow to glory. Yeah. Jamaica, Jamaica, from sorrow to glory. Yeah. Jamaica, Jamaica, from sorrow to glory. Yeah. Jamaica rise again. Yeah. Jamaica rise again.
Eternal Father, bless our land. Guard us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our light through countless hours. To our leaders, great defender, grant true wisdom from above.
Jamaica, it's time to rebuild. Melissa think we done. She no know Jamaicans, them never give up. Jamaica, we just a come. Let's rebuild our country again. Let's work together and get it done. We've been through the storm, through the fire, through the flood, but we're still standing tall. So let us unite and build together. From Kingston to Montego Bay, from Port Antonio to Negril, every son and daughter of Jamaica around the world. Reach out, reach out. Let's rise as one people, one heart, one Jamaica.
The hurricane come, but we still there. No breeze can blow where we spirits start. Me see the neighbor help the neighbor and in and that's the power of the Jamaican woman and man. The sun a shine from the broken land. New hope grow like seed in the sand. Every little picnic, every mother, every man. Together we rebuild, together we stand.
Jamaica rise again, lift up we hand to the sky. We spirit stronger than before, we can never die. One love, one heart, together we tread this lane. From sorrow to glory, Jamaica rise again. Remember the hills, the rivers, the song. Them still there, them keep we strong. We ancestors fight for we freedom long. So we nah go bow, we have to move on. From the youth in the streets to the elders in prayer. Open our heart, love in the air. No care how hard, we rebuild with care. For Jamaica, me people, me swear, me swear.
All Jamaicans overseas, send love, send strength, send unity. Link up with your family, link up with your yard. Every dollar, every word, make the rebuilding start. We no wait for no system, we create our own. One nation and a Jah, one not one no.
We have to teach the youth them love again. Plant the seed of peace, let it rain. Every school, every lane, every street name. Tell the children them proud of the Jamaican name. No matter how the wind it blow, Jah love still light we window. And from the ashes we grow, fi show the world say we glow. Jamaica rise again, lift up we hand to the sky. We spirit stronger than before, we can never die. One love, one heart, together we tread this lane. From sorrow to glory,
Jamaica rise again. Jamaica rise again, lift up we hand to the sky. We spirit stronger than before, we can never die.
one love, one heart, together we tread this lane. From sorrow to glory,
Jamaica rise again.
stand firm, my people, keep the fire burning bright. From Portland to Mobile, we fight the good fight. We bless up we island, we heal we pain. By Jah love and power, Jamaica rise again. To every farmer, every teacher, every youth in the lane, keep the faith. The same hands we build the house before will build it again. The same sun will shine upon with tears will dry them again. Jamaica we strong, Jamaica we proud, and with Jah guidance, Jamaica will rise again. Enough respect to the amazing songwriter and musical composer of this song, Charles K. Xavier.
Hello, Jamaica. It's time to unite and rebuild a better Jamaica with delight. Melissa pass through and mash up the place, but out of the water, out of the pain, come love, unity and faith again.
Melissa pass through like a thief in the night. Home's gone, live storm, but we still see the light.
Rain a fall, but me see hope in the sky.
When me see my neighbor smile, me can't help but try.
The water take road, the mountain slide, but Jamaica spirit can't divide. From Poland to Mobile, me hear one line.
We are built back stronger, this time divine.
Jamaica, we are one nation under God, out of many one people. We have been through tough time before and we have never backed down. So let's do it again.
We are strong people, united as one. So let us cook together, work together and feed everybody.
One plate at a time, one love, one mind, one destiny. Jamaica rise up, come build back stronger. Feed each other, we now go under. Everybody run a boat, cook big pot for the time. Every woman, every man come make the island
You them carry water, wash off the pain.
We know wait from government to show up the way. We there with boom, shovel out and faith for the day. Cause unity is stronger than any storm wind. When we on in on
Jah love within. Jamaica, let us cook together, work together and feed everybody. One plate at a time, one love, one heart, one family.
Jamaica mash up, but we still there. We arise like the morning sun, brighter and clearer. The pot of bubble, me say smell it in a ear. Jerk pan ready, love everywhere.
One plate for the hungry, one plate for the poor, one plate for the children who can't find more. A little love, a little rice, a little peace of mind. Make Jamaica shine, shine, shine.
We a cook big pot in every scheme. Rice, dumpling, curry with the team. Work dream, every parish, every lane. We are healed with grace. One family, one island, one human race.
Cause when we share a meal, we share Jah love. From the hand pan the pot to the blessing above. Melissa come and gone, but we still there. Jamaica strong, we can't disappear. Jamaica, let us cook together, work together and feed everybody. One plate at a time.
That's how we build unity, yeah, yeah.
Jamaica rise up, rebuild and shine. One nation, one people, one time.
Everybody run a boat, cook big pot for soul. From Trenchtown to Negril, every heart play a role.
One plate at a time.
Me say that divine,
with love and fire.
Jamaica will shine.
One plate at a time.
Me say that divine,
with love and fire. Jamaica will shine.
yes, my people. Jamaica, it's time to unite. I rebuild a better Jamaica with the light. One love, one hand, one meal, one heart. We are do this together, one plate at a time.
Jamaica, we cry together. Many tears have been shed. Our Jamaican brothers and sisters are in pain.
Oh God, see our tears. We cry together. We cry as one.
Jamaica, many hearts are broken.
Today we cry together. Jamaica, the pain is immense. It's a heavy sky. I see the ruins. I hear the mothers cry. The water rose high. The houses fell low. Our island trembling in sorrow. We know the children holding hands, lost in despair. Fathers with nothing but a silent prayer. Oh God, our land torn by the wind's cruel hand, but still we'll rise again, we'll stand. Ooh, Jamaica, yes, we cry together. So many tears have fallen today. Oh, Jamaica, hearts are shattered, but forever we'll find a way to heal. We'll find a brighter day. Many tears are shed today, but we will celebrate a new Jamaica tomorrow. The mountains weep, the rivers overflow. The streets are broken, but love still grows. So many homes torn down, yet we still believe in the hands of the people who never leave. Dig up the soil in the ground from the ashes of sorrow. Let's be found. Our voices rise like a choir in the rain, singing. grace, every heart a holy place. Out of darkness, love will grow. Jamaica, the world must know. Oh, Jamaica, yes, we cry. Though our souls are bruised, our hearts still shine. Ooh, Jamaica, one people forever. We cry together. Out of pain we'll build the divine. We will rebuild a greater Jamaica.
Shall not be in vain. Jamaica, we cry together. Many rivers to cross, but we will pray, unite, and rebuild tomorrow. Many thanks to the amazing songwriter and music composer Charles K. Xavier for all these songs. Everyone, please press the subscribe button and support the rebuilding of Jamaica.
Jamaica, we've been through the storm. Our homes are broken, our roads are gone. But our hearts still beat strong. From the hills of Manchester to the shores of St. James, we've seen the power of the wind and the flood. But we've also seen the power of love and unity. Today we cry together, but tomorrow we rise together. The same hands that built this land before will build it again. We are one people, one island under God. Strong, unshaken and proud. To every mother, every father, every child, do not lose hope. The water will dry, the land will heal, and Jamaica will rise again. Jamaica will rise again.
Many thanks to the amazing songwriter and music composer Charles K. Xavier. For all these songs, please press the subscribe button, everyone. And let's rebuild Jamaica.